Hello everyone, hope you're well. Ladies, gents and shredders of all ages, got an exciting video for you today, an unboxing video. Who doesn't like an unboxing video? Today's item is a Kaiweets portable battery powered pressure washer, bucket, spray, nozzle, everything all in one, portable, take it wherever you go. Mountain biking, you've just finished a trail, your car's absolutely minging. Your bike rather is absolutely minging. Rather than put it on top of your car like I do and mud going all over your car, you've now got the opportunity to wash it off. So let's get straight in with the unboxing. Really excited, let's go. Here we go. First impressions are really well packaged. Very good product, and madly it's called the model KPW-F1. They are my initials, Carl Peter Walford, and I like F1. But obviously it's a Kaiweets pressure washer, F1. That is so cool, my initials. So let's have a look what's inside. There we go. One Kaiweets user manual, portable pressure washer. All the links are down in the description as well. And there's a link to the actual product on Amazon. If you're interested, use my link below. Helps the channel. So here we go. It's quite a nice weighty product. Already you can tell the quality is like really good. Let's just move this box out of the way, get a better angle. Wow, look at that. That's fantastic. Open. Oh, you can lock the lid as well. That's really cool. So let's put that lid to one side. We've got the nozzle. Yeah, really good quality. Solid. Yeah, really good quality. And we've got a little foam bottle, I assume. Yeah. Which is, yeah, foam bottle. Look at that. That little bad boy goes on there. So you could obviously use this to wash your car. But obviously, such as this is perfect for a mountain biker. Because how many times do you come off like an off-piste trail, not at a trail centre? There's no way to wash your bike. So it just goes in your car or your van or on top. And the mud just gets everywhere, basically. Of course, always be careful when washing your bike. I'll demonstrate it as well, especially now I've got an e-bike. Just avoid sensitive parts and just be careful, be mindful of what you're spraying. Don't spray your bearings and stuff like that. So you've got your little USB-C cable there. I'll charge it up shortly. Let's have a look. There we go. Let's open the box out, shall we? Oh wow, that's really good. That's quite a big bucket as well. Fantastic. And there it is. There's the USB-C port. Let's get it on charge, shall we? It's got one of those little peely things. How satisfying is it taking them off products? Stuck to me with static. Yeah. Right, it's come with half a charge as well, so we might be able to test it quicker than anticipated. And I've got some big bottles of water down here. Yeah, so that's my plan, is I'll be taking this on rides going forward, because I want to show you what it's like ride after ride, reliability and stuff. So I'm just going to leave it on my boot, go for some muddy rides, rinse the bike down afterwards, and then just see how it goes on day-to-day mountain biking. This could be really good for it. It does say, you know, you've got car, furniture, house, spray your plants with it, whatever you want really. Let's get this cable unwrapped. Yeah, the quality is really impressive. Really impressive. You can always tell something high quality when you unbox it, and the box does make a big impression as well. But yeah, that cable is of a high quality. Maximum 60 degrees Celsius. Okay. Oh, that's a lovely satisfying clicking there. And how do you press that button to get it back out again? Really satisfying. Right, and then we've got what we've got round here. I think this is going to be really handy for me because basically I use that Karcher thing, so I have to plug the hose in, go through all that, get it all thinged, whereas this, it's going to be a lot simpler. Just pour my water in there, turn it on, and I'm golden. So now obviously we've got two options here, so let's push this in. There we go. So we've got 0 degrees, foam, different angles of attack. Really solid quality clicking across the board. See if there's anything in here that we should particularly go over. So here we've got our function key. Let's turn it on, shall we? Wow. So that must be where the water goes through down there. So let's get it filled up and give it a little test, shall we? We've got some of Sainsbury's finest still British spring water. Get that in there. You could just take one of these bottles, have it in the back of your truck, and then just refill it off the tap. So after you finish your ride, you can then just fill it up, recycle it, and you're good. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop that on. I'm assuming you leave that on when you're doing it. Let's go and test it out then. There we go. So it's going. Just using it at the corner of the yard. Oh, it's picking up all that mud. This is going to be perfect for washing a bike down. Look at that. All the crap just going straight away. Oh yeah, that's really good. Really good, plenty of power as well. All the different modes. That 4 degrees, 2 degrees. Oh yeah. Almost enough to hurt your finger, that. I don't know if that helps. You understand how powerful it is. Well, first test of it. Use most of the water there. You could easily clean your bike off with that after a ride. My bikes are already clean because the weather's been grim last few days, but you're going to see this on all the rides so far. Very impressed, I must say. That is a really good quality device. I was a bit skeptical on if it was going to be powerful enough, but I can already see, yeah, absolutely it is. So yeah, really impressive for such a small, portable, battery-powered device. That is perfect for mountain biking. Absolutely spot on. Really excited. That's just going to go in my boot. You're going to see it on the upcoming videos. So test it in real life scenarios. But I've just cleaned all that mud out of the yard there. No issue. Fantastic. Auto Glim Polar Blast foaming. Just give it a little bit of a test. See what happens here. Wow, no way. That's actually really good. Success. Close it down now. Stick it in the car. Well, after it's been charged. It says charge fully 4 to 5 hours or something, so leave it on. And then you will see it on the next ride, folks. Cable wrap back up. Like I said, it's now ready to go again. Like, nice little feature, just the ability to be able to unlock the lid. Well, folks, that was an absolute utter success. Cannot wait. That is going to work an absolute diamond. Thanks, Kaiweets. Really appreciate that. Not really much else I can say. You could see it working in action. Solid quality. Really impressed with the quality. Like I said, it's already on Amazon, available now. link down in the description. Use that link if you're interested, because it helps support the channel as well. And happy clean bikes after rides. Excellent. Take care, everyone. Grip it, rip it. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.